Math reviewer number 10, solve by substitution method, meaning find the value of x and y. So to solve by substitution method, we need to solve for x or y in equation number 1, then substitute that in equation number 2. Or solve for x and y in equation number 2, then substitute in equation number 1. Okay, so first, we need to choose the variable to solve in equation 1 or 2. So we choose the variable with coefficient of 1. Since all the terms are, all the coefficients of x and y are 1, so we can choose any of the variable in equation 1 or 2. Okay? So just in this example, let's choose y. Let's choose y in equation number 1. Solve for y in equation number 1. So we just need to put this positive x to the other side. So if we put x to the other side or transpose, so therefore the value of y will be equal to positive x will become negative x, and then just copy this plus 1. And then, so we need to substitute the value of y in equation number 2. So the value of y is negative x plus 1. Negative x plus 1. So that's the value of y. Substitute that in equation number 2. Okay, so in this part. Okay, so this is our equation number 2. Okay, so next step. So we have x minus y equals 3. So we have x minus the value of y is negative x plus 1. So we put parenthesis symbol. So we have negative x plus 1 equals 3. So simplify this, distribute the negative sign, or simply change the sign of the terms inside the parentheses. So if we distribute this, so negative times negative x, so that is positive x, negative times positive 1, so that is equal to negative 1 equals 3. So combine like terms, x plus x, so that is equal to 2x minus 1 equals 3. So combine negative 1 and positive 3, add 1 to both sides, so that we can cancel this. So therefore, we have 2x is equal to 3 plus 1, we have 4. And then next step, divide both sides by 2. So therefore, the value of x is equal to 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, next is substitute x equals 2 in this equation. So in equation number 1, so this will be equal to y is equal to negative, the value of x is 2. So negative 2 plus 1. So the value of y is equal to negative 2 plus 1 is equal to negative 1. So the solution is x equals 2 and y equals negative 1. Okay, so follow for more.